What's up? Had a little bit of a dilemma. I want to take you guys through a typical day of mine that usually happens with me being a model. I actually have a hair shoot in like 2 days, and then when I wash, blow dry, straighten my hair and all that stuff. But then I got an email from my agent that I needed to do 2 self-tape auditions, and I have already like oiled my hair down. It's really old and gross, and it just doesn't make sense for me to wash my hair today for it to get rewashed in like 2 days. So I decided to buy a little Amazon wig. I just washed my little piece that I want to leave out. Also ordered a microphone, but it's still not working. So guys, I don't know what to do. Yeah, let's try to figure out how to install this wig together and kind of how I'm gonna finesse my little hair right now so I can do these auditions real quick. I do want to add a little bit of my MIZANI H2O. No, this is the MIZANI Coconut Soufflé Cream as a little moisturizer to the end. Look at how much my hair is growing and they want to trim it. I'm so nervous. I'm really nervous. I'll keep you guys updated and hopefully they won't take off too much. I will say this side still grows in like kind of funky for some reason. And I have a different hair texture on this side of my head than I do at this side of my head. And I was cleaning out my little stuff and I found my peppermint oil. And peppermint oil is one of my all-time favorite essential oils. And I feel like it does a great job with promoting blood circulation to the scalp to help with hair growth. I'm gonna massage this in my hair, in my scalp, and then I'll bring it down to the strands. You also make sure to mix that with some coconut oil because you don't want to put an essential oil like that on your scalp by itself because it can cause some serious irritation. I got my green juice with my collagen in it. This is the key to all this. I drink it literally every single day. I may have missed one day here or there since the start of this year, but just drinking that every day and adding some collagen in there, it's working wonders. Okay, now let's try to figure this out. I don't really know how to French braid my hair like that. Let's me just divide my hair into 2. French braid it down, I guess. Got these jumbo clips. I don't know if you can tell it's a jumbo clip. Game changer if you are a person that wraps your hair. It makes it so much easier to make sure the hair stays in place at night because the clip just holds so much. I don't know if this is going to be flat enough, but we're going to try it. Now is blow dry my little leave out here. Taking a little bit of this Olaplex number 7 bonding oil, like a very, very, very teeny amount. It's probably too much. Just to put on my little leave out here. And I should have put some heat protectant and some leave-in conditioner before I blow dry my hair just now, but I don't have any. The Luster S Curl, it's a blue bottle. I'll have it linked. That is one of my favorite leave-in conditioners and the price is amazing, so I will be ordering that probably today. Let's see what we got. I got this particular wig because it came next day and the reviews were decent. Seems like the density of this wig a lot of people complained about, but then there was other people who were just like, it's just fine. But we will see it together. And I know I should be washing this before I put it on my head, which I am going to do, just not right this second. I'm going to do it a little bit later today, but I need to get this audition filmed while I still have my daylight. Okay, no weird smell or anything. I will say this is just a little bit darker than my natural hair. It's like black, although I got a 1B. We got clips all in the inside, a band. I just wish it wasn't so dark. I'll have to make it work because I want to be able to use this for set and stuff. You guys got a nice band. I feel like this is going to be good. I'm trying to find or feel to see if there are any, here are the combs. I'm tacked down into my braids. And I feel like this could be a little tighter. Oh wait, no, it has a drawstring. Oh, it has a drawstring. Yeah, this is perfect. I like her. The density for me is perfect. Like I want it to look as natural as possible in a sense. And I feel like when the wigs have too much density, it's not convincing. Only thing that is not right is the color. So, this is human hair by the way. So maybe I will try to lighten it up with some dye. I'm going to chop it just a little, just like a smidget widget. It's just the color is off, but everything, like, it feels amazing. Let me try to flat iron everything real quick. I got this on the highest setting, 450. No burning. Doesn't smell weird. It smells a little like cleaning solution, I'm not even gonna lie, but not in a bad way. It does need to be washed. If I could just get my braids a little flatter, this would be absolutely perfection. Like, how have I not done a U-part wig before? And I felt like y'all had tell me to get one, and I just didn't listen. I'm so late to this train, but this is truly a life changer. Let me turn the heat down so I can get my leave out. It's just a matter of me dyeing this wig a little bit lighter, which I already have the perfect dye I feel like to do that. So let me know if that's something y'all want to see. Even just the way it is laying is super flat. I don't know how the back looks though. We're gonna assume it looks good, and if it doesn't, we're gonna pretend that it looks good, because for the audition, they just need to see the front of my face anyway. Yeah, this is going to be life-changing now for me. Being able to go on set with this as opposed to a sew-in, very, very, very happy. And I think this wig was literally only like $60, and this is a 20-inch. Let me know what y'all think. If this would be something you guys would try. If you have a U-part wig that you are obsessed with, let me know, because I probably want to get a couple of these. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next one.